high in the sky. Up, up in the clouds. It's raining. A lot. There's no work to be done today.
What's wrong, Bobo White? Rainy. I can see that. But the rain does make everything lovely and clean. Bobo bored. Well, we'll just have to wait till the rain stops before we can go outside.
But I need to do my jobs. I have such a lot to do.
We all have jobs to do, Baba Blue.
The rain is very good for my plants. Although I've got lots of things to do in the garden.
We can't just sit here and do nothing.
Why don't we play a game? That'll pass the time.
Play game! Play game! Like what?
How about favourite things?
Oh, yes! I love that game.
You start, Baba Green.
OK. Well, my favourite thing is my garden.
What do you like best about it?
I just love digging and planting. Remember when everyone was sneezing and we didn't know what it was? Achoo! Achoo! But I think my favourite thing in the garden is my watering can. I need it to water my plants.
Remember when Bobo blocked up all the holes?
Holes? Bluey Babs fill holes.
Aha! Bobo clever.
Now that I think about it, that was a bit funny. Huh? Mud? Who could have done that?
Huh? Rainy. We told you before, Bobo. We know.
Rainy, rain, rain! You are funny, Bobo.
What about you, Baba Pink? What's your favourite thing? My favourite thing is my caring kit. It's so useful. I can make and mend all sorts of things with it.
What are you making, Baba Pink?
It's a star blanket. I'm making it for Little Star.
Wow, it's so soft. It's beautiful.
Thank you. Do you remember when I made Sun his big gloves? Ooh.
Oh, what are these?
Oven gloves. These gloves keep your hands cool so they won't melt the snow.
Come on, Son. Try them out.
I've made one! Oh, thank you, Cloudbabies! My first snowball!
Then there's my polishing cloth and my duster. I wouldn't know what to do without them. How would I polish Sun? Or dust Moon? Maybe they are my favourite things.
I think your favourite thing is your reward chart. You do like to check that all our jobs are done.
All right then, Baba Blue. What's your favourite thing?
My favourite thing is...
Rainy, rain, rain.
My favourite thing is my tools. I couldn't do anything without them. I couldn't fix the gate without my hammer. All mended. Do you remember when Bobo knocked all of my tools into the hayfield?
Bobo, help!
No! Oops. Luckily, I had my cloud catcher to fish them all out. Pull, Cloudbabies, pull! That was fun.
I liked your sculpture. That was really beautiful.
Perfect.
Remember when the sun shone through it and made all those rainbow colours? It It's a rainbow light sculpture.
Yes, I have so many favourite things to choose from. But I think I like my sky peeper best. I can use it to spot clouds. Come on! Then I can round them up.
Okay, clouds. No more playing. Time to rain.
Time to round up some clouds. Yee-haw! Or chase them.
Yes, you do like to chase clouds across the sky, don't you, Baba Blue? What's your favourite thing, Bobo? Rain pairs! Of course it is! Well, I think my favourite thing is my bag. It just looks so pretty on me. Although I do use my paint box every day to paint rainbow.
And to paint pictures.
Yes, that's my favourite thing. Although, my favourite thing really has to be my fluty toot. It can call the sky train. And it helps Little Star go to sleep. Listen. Rainy, rain, rain!
Oh no! Look, the ceiling!
Quick, Cloudbabies! We've got to catch the water.
Ah, Bobo, now I understand. You were trying to tell us about the rain inside.
Drip, drip, drip goes the rain on our heads. On the tables and beds, the rain is dripping. Drop, drop, drop goes the rain on the stair. On our clothes and our hair, the rain is dropping. Every drip and drop we will mop, mop, mop as we clean the raindrops away. Drip, drip, drip goes the rain on our heads. On the tables and beds, the rain is dripping. Drop, drop, drop goes the rain on the stair. On our clothes and our hair, the rain is dropping. Every drip and drop we will mop, mop, mop as we clean the raindrops away. As we clean the raindrops, clean the raindrops, clean the raindrops away.
I think the rain is stopping. Hello, everyone. What are you doing here?
We've come to see you, of course. And I always come out after the rain. That's why I'm called Rainbow. Isn't everything clean? Yes. Just look at my colours. Aren't they wonderful?
We are pleased to see you.
You've made all the rain dry up. Sun, rainbow, favourite things. Yes, today you two are our favourite things.
So, with the rain gone, the Cloudbabies could get on with their jobs. And Bobo was just happy not to get wet. High in the sky, up in the clouds, the Cloudbabies are getting busy. You see, there's a warm wind coming, which to a Cloudbaby always means
It's wash day!
These clouds are ready to rain.
The sheets are piled, the clouds are set. It's time to get the washing wet. So come on, clouds, it's raining time. Scrub-a-dub, wash away that grime. It's wash day, splash day, rinse the dirt off day. Wash day, splash day, let's get this washing clean. Let's splish it, splash it, bring it, mash it, get this washing clean. Whoa! Wash day! I love wash day! Blanky! I want to wash Blanky! Cloudbabies! I want to wash Blanky! That's great, little star.
But the rain stopped. Look.
Ooh.
Don't worry, little star. Fuffa will help you out. Won't you, Fuffa?
Let's get that blankie clean. Here you go, little star.
Whoa! I'm getting a wash too!
Oh, Cloudbabies, the warm wind, it's nearly with us. Oh, it's on its way.
Thanks, son. Right, let's peg the washing ready for the warm wind to dry it.
All pegged.
Oh, I can't peg my blanket out to dry. Oh, poor little star. Don't worry, little star. I know the perfect drying place for your blankie. It's just right. It really is. Now all we have to do is wait.
It'll be as dry as sun's elbows once this warm wind comes.
Thank you, Rainbow.
Ho, ho, ho! Here it comes. That warm breeze feels so good.
Perfect for drying our washing. And my blankie. The washing will dry in no time in this wind. The washing line snapped.
Got it! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh no! Don't worry, Baba Blue. I've got you.
Don't worry, you two. Baba Pink is on her way. Yes! Oh, this looks fun.
Wind away, a wind away, a wind away. Flappity flew. Oh, little star, I can't hang on anymore.
No! Come back! Blankie! My blankie! It's gone.
I'm sorry, little star. The wind's too strong.
Where are we going now?
I don't know.
Away.
But we've got to stop somehow.
Wind away. Ho, ho! Look at you flying your kite.
We're flying our washing.
Here, take my hand. Got you.
Can you feel the wind?
Of course I can feel the wind.
No, it's not as strong.
Oh, yes.
Yes, we made it.
But what about our washing?
Ho, ho, ho! Here it is.
How are we going to get the washing back home? There's too much for the sky horses to carry. I know how. Sky train. Here it is. Yay!
Whoops.
Well, at least this washing's nice and dry.
Bye!
Bye, son.
Hey, look! What's wrong, little star?
It's that wind. It took away little Star's blanket. Terrible business.
I thought you were holding it, Rainbow.
Well, I was, but the wind was too strong.
Just like it was too strong for our washing line.
Don't worry, little star. The Cloudbabies will find your blankie.
Did you find Blanky?
No, I'm afraid it's gone.
We don't know that for sure, Baba Green.
But we've looked everywhere.
We can't find your blankie anywhere, little star. I'm sorry. Blankie?
My Blanky! Thank you, Bobo!
But where did you find it, Bobo? Bobo's still sleepy. Oh, look. I left the window open.
Hold that blankie tight, little Star. Because you never know when the next warm wind will blow. High in the sky, up in the clouds, the Cloudbabies were getting things ready for a cloud picnic. Very nice too. But they needed one last thing.
Rain pears! Oh, thank you, Baba Green. And you, Bobo. Ah, delicious. Bobo-licious! It's a perfect afternoon for a cloud picnic.
All we need now is a cloud to have it on. Come on.
Hey! Yummy, yum, yum. Yummy, yum, yum. Okay, I'm coming, Bobo. Oh, donk!
Ho, ho, ho! Hello, everyone! Are you having a cloud picnic?
Yes, but we can't find a cloud. Have you seen any?
Well, what about those big fluffy white ones over there?
Oh, yes. Thanks, son.
Wait for Bobo!
Hurry, Bobo!
Wait for Bobo! Whee! Ah, the perfect spot.
I'm hungry. Can we eat now?
Yes, can we? Can we?
Okay. We've got rainbow berry cupcakes, cloudy lemonade,
Yummy.
and rain pears. Scrummy. Rain pear horsey.
They do love rain pears, Bobo, but they've got their own food to eat today.
Ooh. Rain pears. More?
Hey, Bobo, try some rain pear pie. It's scrummy.
Oh, sorry. I'm such a clumsy bub.
Rain pears. Skydonk hungry. This for Skydonk. Yum. Horsey, you want more? Yummy. Looky, more rain pears, horsies. Rain pears, yummy. Wake up, Cloudbabies. It's nearly time for Sun to go to bed.
We've got to get our jobs done before nighting time.
Don't worry, Baba Pink. The sky horses will soon get us going.
Where's the basket of rain pears gone?
And where's Bobo?
Come on, he can't have gone far. They're all asleep.
Bobo. Bobo, wake up. Cloudy Babs.
Bobo, where have all the rain pears gone?
Did you eat them all, Bobo? Horsey tum-tums. Bobo fed the sky horses a whole basket of rain pears.
Oh, Bobo, right.
We've still got to do our jobs before nighting time. How are we going to get back? I know. I'll call the sky train. What? My bag with my fluty toot in. It's gone. Oh, I must have left it at the cloudy house. What are we going to do? You've got to dust the moon, pick the stars from the star tree. Oh, hello, Skydonk. We need to put Sun to bed, help Rainbow. What is it, Skydonk?
Skydonk hasn't eaten any rain pears.
Maybe Skydonk can help us.
Well, only if you're sure, Skydonk. Sky Horsey Donk.
Good job you didn't feed him any rain pears, Bobo.
No. before nighting time. Thanks to
Sky Dong! Aren't you clever?
Super Donk! Rain Pair!
As moon and the stars shone down, the night was filled with laughter. And the occasional burp. High in the sky, up in the clouds, the Cloudbabies were very busy.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Phew! This is hard work. Time for a snack. Oh, hello, Rainbow.
Hello, Baba Blue.
Look at all these shooting stars. They're all ready to fling.
Oh, aren't they big ones? We're going to be busy tonight, Baba Blue.
I hope you're ready.
Oh, yes. I could fling anything. Here, test me out.
Bye-bye! Can't catch me! Watch out, Bobo White!
Oh, you see? We'll fling those shooting stars in no time, Baba Blue. See you later.
Can you manage that, Baba Yellow?
I got this paint for Rainbow, but it's a little bit heavy to carry.
Why don't you ask Rainbow to come over here to be painted?
Oh, what a clever idea, Baba Green. I'll go and get him right away. There you are, son. All shiny again.
Oh, just in time to chase those rain clouds away. I might need Rainbow's help.
I'll go and get him right away. Rainbow! Can you come to the cloudy house?
Oh, hello, Baba Yellow. Yes, of
Quick,
course.
Rainbow! Son needs you at the horsey hay field.
Oh, just a moment, Baba
Come
Pink.
on, this way, Rainbow. Son says
Oh.
to come right now.
Which way do you want me to go?
This way.
I can't be in two places at once, you know. That feels a bit funny.
Whee! Fuffa no catchy.
Oh, yes, I will, Bobo. Whoa! Rainbow, you've gone all stretchy.
Stretchy? Oh, sorry, Rainbow.
Oh, hang on. Don't let go!
Are you all right, Rainbow?
I feel a bit, different.
Oh, look.
Oh, what is it? What's the matter?
Here, have a look, Rainbow. See for yourself.
Oh, a knot! Oh,
Does it hurt?
Not at all.
That's good.
Good? I'm all twistity-overy and twizzly-uppity.
Rainbow, what's happened?
He's got a knot. It doesn't hurt, but I think he feels a bit silly.
Can he still fling the shooting stars?
Oh, out of the question. I'm much too wuzzly-tangly to do anything. I'm sorry, Baba Blue. You'll just have to find someone else.
Oh, okay. Maybe Baba Green can help. Hope you're feeling better soon, Rainbow. You're it, Bobo. Can't catch me. Bobo chase.
We'll look after you, Rainbow, won't we, Baba Yellow? I'll paint all your stripes. That will cheer you up.
Off you go. Bye-bye, rain clouds. Away you go now.
Thanks, son. Those rain clouds were making a real mess.
Glad to help. That's me done for the day. Nearly bedtime. Bye, Baba Green.
Bye, son. That's funny. Where's Rainbow? He's always around after a good shower.
Baba Green, can you help me fling these, please?
Well, if you want, Baba Blue. But won't Rainbow mind? He loves flinging stars.
Rainbow's got a bit of a problem.
Oh, I can't reach the knotty bit. I don't want Rainbow to be all blotchy.
Oh, knottery tied and blotchy. I don't feel like me anymore.
We've just got to find a way to unknot you, Rainbow. Maybe we could stretch the knot out.
No more stretching. Oh, no. Look, I've pulled it tighter.
I think we need to get him to relax.
Relax? How am I going to relax when I'm knottified?
Like this.
Oh.
Have you got your fluty toot, Baby Yellow?
Oh, better.
One last try. Here goes. Can't hold it.
Just a bit more.
Whoa!
We were supposed to be flinging the star, Baba Green.
I'm trying my best, Baba Blue.
It's no use. Without Rainbow, we can't fling any of these shooting stars.
Come on, let's go and see if he's better. How's Rainbow doing? Baba Blue really needs him for the star flinging.
Oh, my stripes don't know they're orange from their purple.
Sorry, Baba Blue. We've tried everything.
There must be something we can do to unknot him.
Whee! Fuffa no catchy Bobo.
Oh, yes, I will, Bobo White.
Oh, mind my twisty bits.
Bobo, sorry.
Oh, what just happened? Is it worse?
Look, everyone.
Hey, I'm free! Oh, I'm all smoothy, stretchy. Oh, yes, look at these stripes. Who's the rainbow? I'm the rainbow. Woo-hoo!
Well done, Bobo White. You fixed Rainbow. Bobo do good. Bobo do very good.
Are you sure you're okay, Rainbow?
Never better. All that laughing has really given me my bounce back. Yahoo! Maybe you should all try it.
Tickle!
It was the happiest star flinging the Cloudbabies could remember, without a knot in sight.